A farming tycoon from California has been extradited here to Arizona to face a charge of murdering his wife in northern Arizona.
The Navajo County Sheriff's Office showing 63-year-old multimillionaire Michael Abatti being picked up by deputies in El Centro, California, Tuesday afternoon.
12 News journalist Sean Rice has been following this story. And Sean, what do you have for us?
Murder case that has rocked two communities, El Centro, California, outside of San Diego, and Pinetop, Arizona, the place where Carrie Abatti grew up. Michael and Carrie were in the midst of a contentious divorce. Michael living in California, Carrie in Arizona. The wealthy SoCal farmer became the Navajo County Sheriff's Office's investigative focus after Carrie was found shot to death in her Pinetop home just before Thanksgiving.
People often compare it to peeling an onion or starting in the center and just peeling back layers, looking at identifying who our victim is, identifying her family, identifying people within her circle.
After the execution of search warrants on Michael's properties, prosecutors secured a grand jury indictment charging Michael with her murder.
It's hard on our community. I'm sure it's hard on the Abatti families. I can't imagine being in their position.
In court Wednesday, the prominent landowner did not speak during an argument over whether his $5 million bond would be increased. He sat through emotional letters from his two daughters as they were read aloud. Following those, the prosecutor said, quote, "This is his own children. You have the defendant's own children saying they do not feel safe. They feel they are going to be harmed." Michael's Southern California defense attorney Owen Roth pushed back, saying, quote, "The idea we have a serial predator on our hands who's going to be out there haunting other family members is completely belied by reality. Throughout his life, he's been a civic leader in the community, charitable works, supportive of the local law enforcement community, supportive of political activity. He is a leading figure in the farming community there. He has absolutely no prior criminal history to speak of. Literally none." In court, prosecutors gave more detail on the crime, saying, quote, "The evidence shows the defendant drove from California over 6.5 hours to Pinetop, shot his soon-to-be ex-wife through their kitchen window from outside, and then drove back to California. So as far as premeditation, a 6.5-hour drive, you have time to think about what you are going to do." The defense argued for his $5 million bond to stay the same. Owen Roth saying, quote, "My client is very sick. He has a failing liver. He has to go see UCSD doctors multiple times a week for his liver and for his overall health. He's on a list for a liver transplant. He takes 7 medications twice a day for it. He needs to see his doctor." Judge John Saline raised Abatti's bond to $5.5 million, and if released, he cannot contact any of Carrie's family members or leave the state of California solely for future court dates in Navajo County.